Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the video. This one's a real quick impromptu one. This is just a little tip. For those of you that know me personally, you know I have a background in kitchens, cabinetry, and countertops. And I noticed a little something in my showroom here today that is a perfect opportunity to give one of the biggest tips I give all my customers, and now I'm going to give it to you too. If you have a granite countertop, this is going to save you a lot of anxiety. So I was walking by one of our display tops, and this is actually kind of like on a half wall, so it's not like a full countertop, but it's granite, so this still applies. I noticed somebody left a drink here, and I picked it up and it left a ring. Perfect opportunity. A lot of people will freak out. Now, I want to clarify something. This countertop has not been sealed. When it was installed, they asked us if we wanted it to. Since it's not a countertop, we said no. And this is granite, not quartz, but it still applies. Quartz stains are a lot easier to get out because of how they're composed, but not impossible. I've actually gotten Sharpie out with this trick before on a quartz countertop. So I'm going to show you the best way to eliminate a stain on a countertop. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is obviously get rid of the wetness, the wet part of it, and wipe that up. And as you can see, we still have a little bit of a ring, some staining. And be honest, I could probably get most of that if I scrubbed it off, but then I wouldn't be able to show you this trick. So here's the trick, the big secret: hand sanitizer, just regular old hand sanitizer, which before the pandemic was readily available. And just a little bit will do it, but a lot won't hurt it at all because it's almost pure alcohol. But anyway, so you squirt that on there, and then you simply rub it away. Now it's going to be slightly discolored for a little bit because it's still wet, but as you can see, the stain is gone. That's actually not a stain, that's part of the countertop. It's part of the discoloration. If you keep going up the countertop, you can see some more of those brown spots. But this will dry out momentarily, and you will see that the stain has been removed. Now, while I'm waiting for this to dry, I do want to preface one thing. That was not an oil-based stain. Oil-based stains are tricky with stone. Typically, that is not going to work to get rid of the stain entirely. It's going to help, but it's not going to pull all the oil out. If you have an oil-based stain, there are solutions you can buy, but they are very expensive, and honestly, they're about a 50-50 shot. And I'm not going to guarantee that the hand sanitizer works every time, but I've been using it for about 15 years and it's never not worked for me. It may take more than one application and a little bit of scrubbing, but I've always been able to get stains out of any stone countertop with this method. And the best part is it's not going to hurt it if it doesn't work, so it can potentially save you a lot of money, and if it doesn't work, it's not going to cost you anything. So anyway, I will show you after this dries. The stain is gone, still a little wet, but I'll show you the picture when it's done. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes, and I will let you guys know I did hit it a second time with more hand sanitizer and gave it a pretty deep scrub. There was still some darkened area. The stain was gone, but it was still dark, so it was probably a little trapped in the stone. So a little bit of elbow grease. I got it mostly out. It's probably not 100% dry yet. I might have to hit it one more time, but it will come out. I'm pretty confident. You can see it's a vast improvement from what was there before. And honestly, at this point, if you didn't know that stain was there before, you probably wouldn't notice it right now, but you can still see where it was. It's pretty, if you knew it was there, but if not, it looks kind of just like a natural darkening of the stone, which you see pretty often in busy granite like this. But yeah, hand sanitizer, just it's not going to do anything negative to the top. It evaporates almost instantly. So yeah, nice little tip that I picked up and I share with all my customers. So if you ever get a stain on a countertop, don't necessarily need to freak out. Try the hand sanitizer first.